Good morning children. Today we are going to learn social studies for grade 5 and the chapter name is Coming of the Britishers. Yes children, it is Britishers. In the previous class we learned that before Britishers it was first the Portuguese and the French people who came to India as traders and they started their own colonies in Puducherry and Chandangarh. French people started as traders. They started their colonies in Puducherry and Chandangarh. Like the Britishers came later. It is Britishers who came in the end. There was a fight between French and the Britishers for the trading as well as for the power, that is ruling of the India. In India what happened? It was different states. It was divided on the basis of language, we can say, or on the basis of territory. It was many kings who used to rule the India with many different cultures and heritage. So it came to know that Britishers the weakness of Indian people. So they fought with the French people and they made them to leave the India. But still till today there are French colonies in Puducherry and Chandangarh. Like that, after fighting with the French, it is the Britishers who had the ambitious thing to rule the India, because they knew that there wasn't any unity among the kings, rulers of India. So they wanted to rule the India. In the beginning it is trading, but later part they thought of ruling India. Britishers, children, nearly they ruled India for 200 years. Yes, you are right. They ruled India, they looted India for 200 years. Now see, this is coming of the Britishers. How they fought with the French people and they made the French India Company to leave and they established East India Company, that is owned and ruled by Britishers. Now let us come and see the first battle, that is Battle of Plassey. Yes children, you are right. In Delhi the rulers, that is Mughal empires became weak. That is, after the death of Aurangzeb, the rulers who followed Aurangzeb, they were not powerful. They could not rule the Delhi properly, so they became weak. It wasn't like Akbar or Aurangzeb. When they became weak, Britishers took over the province of Mughal Empire and they started ruling. That made them to aim at other provinces in India. So the Battle of Plassey happened in the year 1757. Yes, you are right. They were aiming at Bengal to make it as a province and a strong center. They knew that Bengal is full of wealth. So they wanted to loot Bengal. So they in 1757 there was a Battle of Plassey. It was the Bengal Nawab Siraj-ud-Dowlah who resisted, who opposed the British rule in India, but he could not defeat the Britishers. He fought with the Britishers, but it was of no use. Britishers defeated Siraj-ud-Dowlah and they took the control of Bengal and they made it as capital city of India. In the beginning it was Kolkata, which was the capital city of India. So they they took all wealth of Bengal. They were aiming at Bengal because it was the wealthiest province in India. So they took the control. At the end, it is the Britishers who won the battle. This is all about Battle of Plassey. After that, it was Battle of Buxar. In this war, it happened in 1764. It was the combined army of Mughal and Mughal Empire, and Nawabs of Awadh and Bengal who fought against the Britishers. But because Britishers had modern equipments, weapons, they could not defeat the Britishers. At the end, it was Britishers who won the Battle of Buxar in 1764. This is all about two battles which were fought. Apart from this, what happens? It is Britishers who brought two different laws, I can say, for the other remaining rulers. That is, one is Doctrine of Lapse and Subsidiary Alliance. Now children, come, let us learn what do you mean by Doctrine of Lapse. It was introduced by Lord Dalhousie, who was then General Governor of East India Company, British rulers. So according to this law or this Doctrine of Lapse, normally in India the rulers, what happens when the ruler have no children, they used to adopt a son or a daughter from the family, and they used to make him as the king or the successor of the province. But this Lord Dalhousie, the British governor, what he made is he brought the Doctrine of Lapse. According to this Doctrine of Lapse, if a ruler have no kids, he cannot adopt anybody as his successor. So naturally, when the king have no successor, that province or that kingdom would join to the British rule. This is the one, that is Doctrine of Lapse, which Lord Dalhousie brought. The other one is Subsidiary Alliance. That is, when you tie up with the Britishers, according to the Subsidiary Alliance, it is brought by Richard Wellesley, where you have to keep, the king has to keep no army. Only British army should be there in the kingdom. That is also opposed by the Indian rulers. So this is how the Britishers slowly started gaining the province in India. These are the few things which we have learned in this lesson. Let us come, that is Battle of Plassey in 1757, Battle of Buxar in 1764. After that they brought two alliances, that is Doctrine of Lapse and Subsidiary Alliance. This is all about British of India. Children, in the next part we will learn more things. Thank you.